Let's solve equations with the variable on both sides. Equation number 1. 4x plus 3 equals 2x minus 1. Step 1. Combine the variable terms on one side. So first thing we want to do is identify the variable terms within the equation. There's a 4x on the left side and a 2x on the right side, so we do have the variable on both sides. Now we want to combine the variable terms onto one side using the additive inverse. In this case, let's get the variable to be on the left side by removing 2x from the right side. And we use the additive inverse to remove 2x, positive 2x, so we will subtract 2x from the right side, and we must keep it balanced and subtract 2x from the left side as well. Now evaluating, 4x minus 2x will leave you with 2x, positive 2x, plus 3 equals, the 2x is cancelled by the subtracting of 2x, so that goes away, leaving us with just negative 1 on the right side. We have now combined the variable terms 4x and 2x onto one side of our equation, here shown by this positive 2x. How did we combine the variable terms on one side? To combine the variable terms onto one side, we had to eliminate the variable term from one of these sides. We eliminated the variable term 2x from the right side using the additive inverse of subtracting 2x, and we applied that to both sides to keep our equation balanced, now having the variable term only on one side of our next equation. Step 2. Solve the equation. We have solved many equations that look like this throughout our program, so let's quickly get the variable all alone. First, we're going to subtract away the numeric term value, which is positive 3, by subtracting 3 to both sides to keep the equation balanced, leaving us on the left side with 2x. The 3's are cancelled, and this equals negative 1 minus 3 more, same sign, so we add 4 and keep the sign negative, negative 4. To isolate the variable, we undo the times 2 by dividing by 2, and we do this to both sides, leaving us with x is equal to negative 2. We have now solved the equation because x is all alone on one side of our equation. Now I want to show you another way that we can check our answer using some technology. What I have here is I have a picture of a website that's called Desmos.com, and what has been graphed are the two expressions on each side of our equation. 4x plus 3 is right here, and 2x minus 1 is right here. 4x plus 3 is shown by this red graph, and 2x minus 1 is shown by this blue graph. And these two lines cross at the point negative 2, negative 5. This is an xy ordered pair. Negative 2 represents the distance along the x-axis, and negative 5 represents the location along the y-axis, negative 2, negative 5. This first value, negative 2, is the x value, so that shows us that these two expressions are equal when the value of x is negative 2. So we use the graph to check that x equals negative 2 is the solution to this equation. So we can graph the expression on the left-hand side, the expression on the right-hand side, and find where they cross. That ordered pair, the first value is the x value. That should also be the solution value, which it is. X equals negative 2, and these two lines cross at an ordered pair where the x value is negative 2. You are now ready to solve the equation with the variable on both sides for problem number 2. And after you finish and you go through the animation, there will be another link to a Desmos graph that goes with problem number 2, showing you how you can check your answer using Desmos.